Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natalia.Armoni. So in this video, I'll be installing this 30-inch 13x4 straight wig from Allove hair. And I'm really going to get in depth on how I achieve these baby hairs. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So like I said, this hair is from Allove hair. It is a 13x4 30-inch wig. It came with 3 combs, some back lace, and adjustable straps. I did bleach the knots off camera and pluck the wig off camera. Like I said, this wig was 30 inches, but honestly, it did not give 30 inches on me. It kind of gave like a 28, 26. But we're gonna go ahead and apply the wig. I'm of course using my Erica J hair lace glue. But you guys see me apply wigs 1,000 times, so I'm actually just going to speed through this process. I really just want to get in depth on how I did the baby hair, so I'm going to come back when it's time to do the baby hair. So the first thing you want to do is pull out the hair that you're going to use for your baby hairs, and you could be really generous with the amount of hair that you use because we're going to pluck it and thin it out later. Now I'm taking my wax stick and I'm using this on all the hair that we're gonna that's not gonna be used for the baby hairs, and taking my hot comb to press it back. Y'all, I use the Kendra's Boutique hot comb. This is like the best hot comb ever. Like really, y'all need to get this hot comb. So now I'm going to take my spritz and we're going to press the hair further back. And I really like using the spritz because it has like a really strong hold, so your hair will be like really laid, okay? And I also use some of that spritz on the baby, like the root of the baby hair, to smooth the hairs down, because sometimes like the hairs be like sticking up, and even when you use your elastic band, it really don't lay like flat. So when you use the spritz on it and hot comb the baby hairs down, then it lays like really flat, and it will be easier for you to sculpt and mold the baby hair. So remember, after you do that step, make sure you guys put an elastic band on for at least 10 minutes so it can like lay the baby hairs down. I know you guys see this little bald spot, but I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that later. But anyway, now we're gonna take our razor comb and cut the baby hair. And like I said, you can use a generous amount, and honestly, if you like that look, you can keep the amount of hair for the baby hairs, but I like to like thin it out and pluck it out. I feel like it makes them look more natural when you do that. So after you thin them out, you want to cut them. So as you can see, you can really see the length of the baby hair because we slick the hair down. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Like when you slick the baby hair down straight, you can see the length of how long they're going to be, so it's easier to determine how much you want to cut off. Y'all, I was in the mood. But yeah, after that, we're gonna take our baby, I call it a baby flat iron, to curl the baby hairs. Everything that I use is going to be linked down below, you guys. So, because I forgot what brand this is. So for the baby hairs that's like in the middle, okay, so so the baby hairs that's not the sideburn baby hairs, I like to curl up like you making a flip. Oh, the one in the middle I curl down actually. So yeah, like the side baby hairs I curl up, and then the sideburn baby hairs I curl like towards my face, like a, you know, as you can see. I don't know how to explain this, y'all. Like, I guess curl away from my face, and then the other ones I curl towards my face. Yeah, so I'm just gonna say that doing this really helps the baby hairs lay like and just be great, okay? And I've been using the Eco Styler gel, the clear one, to swoop my baby hairs. So like, you just want to take a edge brush. I like using an edge brush. Some people use a comb. It's all in your preference, but I like using an edge brush. And I like swoop the baby hairs. Like, you really got to pay attention to how I'm doing it, because it's like when you swoop the baby hairs, you got to take your fingers and smooth them like in the direction that you're going, and then you swoop the rest of the hair back into like the wig. I hope y'all catch it, because look at these baby hairs, y'all. Like, I love doing baby hairs, and it just looks so good. So for this one, I had to actually cut it down. It's like sometimes you have to cut it down, cut it more, so it can like properly swoop and lay right. It won't be like too long. And then I take some Got To Be spray on my edge brush, and I just go over the baby hairs again, just so they can be further in place. And you know, you're gonna go ahead and put that elastic band on. That is your friend. So now I'm just like, I already straightened the hair off camera, but I'm just taking my hot comb and just smoothing the part out. And here is where we're gonna fix that bald spot. I'm using my black spray spray to do that. This is like a saver. It's like if you overpluck your wigs, you need this spray, because look, you can't even tell like at all. And then I'm going to take my concealer and just define the part more. This makes your hair look extra sleek and just perfect. But that's pretty much the end of the video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope you guys learn how to slay these baby hairs, okay? Leave some comments below for any other videos you guys like to see. I love you all like always, and I see you in the next video.